In the so-called shoe capital of the Philippines and home to artisan shoemakers, one man from Marikina City turned his dream into reality by making President Rodrigo Duterte's shoes.
Hindi po ako nakarating ng pag-aaral. Si elementary hindi ko natapos. Kaya ang aking pinag-ukulan, yung paggawa ng sapatos ko. At yung paggawa ko naman ng sapatos, pinagmalaki ko. Hanggang umabot nga sa presidente na maigawa ko siya ng sapatos.
72-year-old Rolando Santos or Tatay Oli can vividly recall the first time he created a pair of shoes for the president. And without any means of getting Mr. Duterte's shoe size, Tatay Oli relied on his 4-decade-long experience and what he saw on TV.
Panay kalkulasyon lang ang ginamit ko sa kanya. Inapon ako ng tinglang mahaba yung kanyang paa.
And then the unexpected happened. After reaching out to Davao-based designer Bonnie Adaza, Tatay Oli's handcrafted shoes arrived in Malacanang.
Nung dumating si Presidente, sumigaw siya ng Tatay Oli. Maraming salamat at binigyan niyo ako ng pagkakataon na magkausap tayo.
Tatay Oli says there was an instant connection between him and the president.
Parang naniwala ako na tunay na sapatos talaga yung aking ginawa dahil presidente pa ang nagsuot.
Tatay Oli showed to CNN Philippines the new pair of shoes he made for the president's State of the Nation address. He said every design is unique, each shoe a product of decades-long love for the craft.
Halos 3 days kong ginawa ito. Ngayon, hindi ko naman paspasan na talagang nagagawa. Ang design nito kasi sa dami ko kasi nang nagawa ng sapatos sa kanya, halos nauubos na rin ng kaisipan ko kung paano.
With the attention he is getting and the President's continued support for Philippine-made products, Tatay Oli hopes of a revival in Marikina's shoe industry.
Bigyan nila ng pansin ng paggawa ng sapatos. Huwag naman nilang lahat ng pansin nila nasa gawang makina. Iukol naman nila sa gawang kamay.
A shoemaking legacy handed down from one generation to another, a product made out of passion and love for the craft, a proof that dreams do happen if you don't walk away from them. Tristan Nodalo, CNN Philippines.